Well, I would like to discuss this stock report. This is from the accountant's uh, desk stock report, and it is aimed at mom and dad investors or individual investors. If you are not a company and you have been losing money on the stock market, then it is a timely advice that you pay attention to what I have to say. The stock market is falling all worldwide now. We are heading towards double-dip recession. There has been a lot of spooks about it. There is an element of uncertainty in the market. The market is falling, and there are sharp rises and fall in the market. Unpredictable situation. So mom and dad investors, individual investors, I would suggest, if you have not got a great experience in this, if you have been losing money on the stock market, pull out your money and stop investing in it. It will be better served money put into your bank account to give at least the short-term term deposit interest or whatever you put it into. So uh, do not invest in stock market at the moment because of the uncertainty of the global market. Number two, you are not as astute investor. You have lost money. So to cut your losses further, you need to pull out your money from the stock market and put it into cash, into a cash deposit. Number two, a reason for not investing in the stock market at the moment is the institutional investors would be able to manipulate the market to a greater extent, and they have got greater flexibility in terms of investment advice, in terms of up-to-date information, market analysis, and so forth. They are far more astute than what you think. So mom and dad investors, individual investors who do not have up-to-date information coming from the financial markets, it's time to realize the cash, cut your losses, move forward. Another reason for not investing at this time is that there are a number of things happening in the global market. For example, the market is able to determine who's going to be a political leader in a particular country. Does that make sense? No, definitely not. How could a financial market determine who's going to be a leader of a country? This is what has been happening in Europe, and which is unacceptable. Financial markets should never be able to determine who's going to be a president, who's going to be a prime minister, who's going to lead the country. Now, financial market is telling the country, you cannot run. We're going to spook your... We are dictating terms. The financial market is dictating terms on nations. So, time to pull it out. Not on. There has been a lot of public anger for that has been going around the world. People have been protesting against the corporate greed and so forth. I think if people had responded, if I was the investor, I would pull it out. There's nothing against major corporations or companies, but to safeguard your finances, there they come. A good sound advice, pull it out for a moment, think about it. Do not invest right now in the financial market, in fluctuating markets. You will not make money. cut your losses, move forward. And I hope I will be posting further videos, but at the moment, I think this is some advice that I can give to people. I personally wouldn't like your wealth to be destroyed or taken away by somebody else in the financial market. Because I know the depth of the financial market. I know how it behaves. If I let the cat out of among the pigeons, you know what would happen. If I open the can of worms, I know what's going to happen to the financial markets. But I will not. I will just say very nicely, if you're not making money in the financial market, you are in the wrong game. Put it out, stop playing. Stop gambling with your money. That's what financial